It's a ChatGPT. You ask a question, it gives you an answer. Ideas, text, code, etc. Victor, you give it a job. It can connect to your business tools and actually carry out parts of that job. For example, instead of asking an AI, how do I analyze my Google Ads? Victor is designed for requests like analyze our Google Ads performance, compare it with last month, prepare a report and post the results in Slack. Now, Victor says it can connect to 3,200 plus business tools, retrieve and write data, create reports, automate recurring tasks, and build certain applications. So ChatGPT is like an AI you talk to. Victor is more like an AI employee you delegate your work. So guys, I actually found an alternative to ChatGPT. Alright, this is not some kind of hype, I'm telling you, and I'm going to also show you some feedback from people who have been using ChatGPT so that you understand what I'm saying. Now, if I go down here, now look at what somebody says. Somebody says, been thinking about moving away from ChatGPT. Love this. Alright, now ChatGPT is utter trash. Every other response it makes is simply made up. So you see some of the responses of people, even ChatGPT itself confirmed that this particular AI, an alternative to ChatGPT, is superb. I mean, it's a fantastic, AI that actually does everything you want to do. It's more like you're trying to hire this AI, like an employee to do your work for you. So the link of Victor AI will be down below in the video description so that you can get started for free. Now look at some of the solutions integrations. It's a connect your existing stack. Then we also have use cases, what teams actually build. And then for the teams, we have enterprise, which is a drive performances at scale. For business, multiply team capacity. For agencies, cut overhead per client. All right. Security, protect data at scale. And the resources for the docs, they have guides and API references. Blog, they have product news and insights. Everything. Research will build agents. All right, everything that you can think of. Case studies, measure customer outcomes. They have all you can think about. Now let's go straight to the pricing. Now it says trusted by 50,000 plus themes. This is powerful. Themes. It's a pay for value, not seats. Get up to $100 to see what Victor can actually do. All right. Now they have the free version. It says perfect to get started and explore Victor. All right. So you don't pay anything, per month. It's like free forever. So you have up to $100 credits for free. This is fantastic. So get started for free. And for the free version, you get no credit card, no sales calls. Every feature, every integration, nothing locked. Lives in Slack and Microsoft Teams. Works across 3,000 plus tools. Free credits never expire. Now they also have the team, which is the most popular one. Alright, it's perfect to get started and explore Victor also. Okay. Then for this one, for $100 per month, you are getting 40,000 credits. This is fantastic. And then you can also check this one. Maybe you want to start with the lower price, 20,000 credits, which is $50 per month, 30,000 credits, $75 per month, depending on what you want. So, and also everything in free, plus 40,000 shared credits monthly. Scale up anytime as your usage grows, right? You can always top up as you continue using the platform. Shared across whole workspace. Unused credits roll over to the next month. There are some AI, AI platforms you use like this that you cannot roll over your credit to the next month, but your unused credits can be rolled over to the next month, which is fantastic. Top up on demand when a big project hits. You can always top up if you are having a bigger project, at hand. They have auto top ups with monthly spend cap, so automatically you can just top up. Alright, so these are people that are talking about how they have been using this particular AI to do a lot of work. You can also click here to see the demo if you want to. So here they also have the courses and walkthroughs. You can also watch that. And they also have how we build agents. Alright. So let's check this particular one. Say research, engineering and research deep dives from the team building Victor. All right. A harness for AGI. All right. Models keep getting stronger, but the harness around them decides how much of that turns into real work. The single question behind every Victor harness decision and the primitives that follow it. All right. That one is somebody there. Now they also have GPT 5 versus Claude. Remarked on reagent work. How we built Victor around prompt coaching. So you also have their integrations. It's a one AI employee, your entire tool stack. Victor connects to 3,000 plus tools and uses them the way you do. All right. Reconciles Stripe against HubSpot. Moves Google Ads budget to what's working. Finds the bug and opens the PR in GitHub. One Slack message, no tabs switching, no CSV exports. All right. So you can check here to see all integrations so that you understand what it's all about. They also have the use case, what teams actually build. All right. This is basically for the teams. Okay. It's a Victor lives in Slack and Microsoft Teams, connects to 3,200 plus tools and does the work. Media buying, finance, ops, engineering. Pick your team's biggest team sync. Victor handles it. So this AI literally does everything. All right. So if you want to really try it out, you can actually use the link down below in the video description to try it out and see how it works for you. And the good thing is that you can get started for free.